If you want to turn off Facebook notification sounds and vibration on your Android phone, here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap Apps. On some Android phones, you'll see the list of installed apps immediately. If not, don't worry. You'll see an option like Manage Apps. Tap on it to continue. Next, search for Facebook and tap on it to open the app settings. Once you're in the Facebook app settings, tap Notifications. Here, you'll find an option called Sounds and Vibration. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. This will disable Facebook notification sounds and vibration alerts on your Android device. If you ever want to turn them back on, just return to the same notification settings and enable the toggle again. That's it! You've successfully muted Facebook notification sounds and vibration on Android in just a few simple steps. If you found this Facebook tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android tips, Facebook settings guides, and easy step-by-step tech tutorials.